Hello everyone, I'm Swati. I'm here with my new video, that is video lesson number 3 on the chapter data handling. In the previous video, we learned about how we calculate mean of the given data or ungrouped data. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we calculate mean of tabulated data or group data. Okay? Tabulated data, it means how you calculate mean if frequency distribution of any data is given. Okay. If x1, x2, x3 dash dash xn are an observation with frequency f1, f2, f3 dash dash fn respectively, then the mean x bar represent mean of those observation is. Here observations are x1, x2, x3 dash dash xn and frequency of observation x1 is f1, x2 is f2, x3 is f3 and xn is fn. Then how we calculate mean? In this case, what we do first? We first draw another column, that is xi multiplied with fi. In that column, what we do, we just multiply the observation with their frequency, that is x1 into f1, x1 f1, x2 f2, x2 f2, x3 into f3, x3 f3 and similarly xn fn, that is xn fn. Now we know that mean is equal to this x bar represent mean. Okay? Mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observation. Okay, here observation becomes x1 f1, x2 f2, x3 f3, x4 x4 and xn fn, and number of observations is equal to f1 plus f2 plus f3. f1 frequency is f1, it means x1 occurs f1 times. If the value of f1 is 3, it means x1 occurs 3 times. If value of f2 is 2, it means x2 occurs 2 times. Okay. Now here we add x1 f1 plus x2 f2 plus x3 f3 up to xn fn. So this is summation of xi fi. This symbol represent summation and we call this symbol as sigma. Okay, this symbol represents summation. So sigma xi fi by sigma fi, it means summation of all the observation of xi fi and summation of all the frequencies. Okay, here it is written that this symbol called sigma, it represents summation. Okay. Let us understand with the help of one example. Here we have find the mean of the following distribution. Here one table is given, that is xi and fi. Xi is the observation and fi is the frequency of that observation. It means 12 occurs one time, 13 occurs 3 times, 14 occurs 4 times, 15 occurs 8 times and so on. We have to find out the mean. Before finding the mean, what we have to do? We have to make a table. Okay. The first column is for observation or xi. The second column is for frequency fi and the third is for xi into fi. Now the observations are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and frequency of 12 is 1, 13 is 3, 14 is 4, 15 is 8, 16 is 10, 17 is 3 and 18 is 1. Now in the third column what we do, we multiply the observation with the respective frequency, that is 12 into 1 it is 12, 13 3 ja 39, 14 4 ja 56, 15 8 ja 120, 16 10 ja 160, 17 3 ja 51 and 18 1 ja 18. Okay. Now here we find summation sigma fi. It means we sum all the frequencies, that is 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 10 plus 3 plus 1, and by adding we get here sigma fi is equal to 30, that is sum of all the frequency is equal to 30. And here we find out sigma xi fi. It means we have to add all the xi fi, and by adding we get the sum is equal to 456. Now we know that mean or x bar is equal to sigma xi fi by sigma fi. Now we get sigma xi fi is equal to 456 and sigma fi is equal to 30. By dividing 456 by 30, we get the mean is equal to 15.2. It means mean of the given table is equal to 15.2. Okay. Let's we understand once again what is given. One frequency distribution table is given. What we have to do? We have to find out the mean. Before finding the mean, what we do? We construct a table with 3 columns. In the first column, we take observation, that is xi. In the second, frequency, that is fi. And in the third, xi into fi. In third, what we do? We multiply the observation with their respective frequency. Okay. So 12 1 ja 12, 13 3 ja 39, 14 4 ja 56. Similarly, we can find out for all the observation. Now this is sum of all the frequency sigma fi. By adding we get 30, and here we find sum of all the xi fi, that is sigma xi fi, and we get here 456. Now what formula we use? We use mean or x bar represent mean, is equal to sigma xi fi by sigma fi. This is the formula for finding the mean. Now sigma xi fi is equal to 456 and sigma fi is equal to 30. So we get the mean is equal to 15.2. Hope you all understood. Okay. Here we have another table. Find the value of x for the following distribution whose mean is 31.87. Here mean is given. What we have to find out? We have to find out x. Okay. What we have to do first? Again we have to make a table. Now observations are 12, 20, 27, 33, x, 54 and frequency. Frequency of 12 is 8, 20 is 16, 27 is 48, 33 is 90, x is 30 and 54 is 8. What we have to do? First we have to find out xi into fi. That is 12 into 8 we get 96, 20 into 16 we get 320, 27 into 48 we get 1296, 33 into 90 we get 2970 and x into 30 we get 30x and 54 into 8 we get 432. Now what we have to do? First we find out sigma fi, that is summation of all the frequencies, and by adding we get 200. And here we find sigma xi fi, and by adding we get here 5114 plus 30x, 5114 plus 30x. Okay. Now what is given? It is given that the mean is equal to 31.87. What formula we use for finding the mean? Yes, x bar, that is mean, is equal to sigma xi fi by sigma fi. Now mean is given 31.87, sigma xi fi. Here we find 5114 plus 30x by summation of fi, it is 200. Now we cross multiply first, then it becomes 31.87 into 200 is equal to 5114 plus 30x. By multiplying 31.87 into 200, we get 6374 is equal to 5114 plus 30x. Now we arrange the variables in one side and constant on another side. It becomes 6374 minus 5114 is equal to 30x. On subtracting, we get 1260 is equal to 30x. Now x is equal to 1260 by 30. Okay. By dividing 1260 by 30, we get the value of x is equal to 42, and this is our final answer. Okay. What we do? Frequency distribution table is given, mean is given. What we have to find out? We have to find out the value of x. So first we construct a table. In the first column we put xi, that is observation, in second fi, that is frequency, and in the third column we find out xi into fi, product of observation and their frequency. 12 into 8, 96. Similarly we can find out all the products. Now here we find out summation of frequencies, all the frequency, that is sigma fi is equal to 200 and sigma xi fi is equal to 5114 plus 30x. Now mean is equal to 13.87, it is given. Okay. Now we apply the formula, that is mean is equal to sigma xi fi by sigma fi. Now put the value of mean 31.87 and 5114 plus 30x by 200. Now we cross multiplied here. By cross multiplying we get here 6374 is equal to 5114 plus 30x, and by calculating we get the value of x is equal to 42. Now hope you all understood that how we calculate the mean of tabulated data or group data. Okay, that's all for today. Note down your homework. Note down your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.